welcome you back. Time for our daily holiday this morning. We are marking Bell Ringing Day today, and we are choosing today to spread the word about the Salvation Army's Red Kettle campaign in our area. The Salvation Army of La Crosse is trying to reach a very big goal. It's the biggest goal ever, $1 million.
Wow.
Big, lofty goal, but I'm certain they can do it. News 8's Nick Adams joins us live from Festival Foods on Copeland Avenue with more on that. Good morning, Nick.
Jen, Bill, thank you very much. We are here at Festival Foods. It's bright and early, a little too early to catch anyone else here right now, but News 8 will be staffing this kettle for the remainder of the day. They are trying to help the Salvation Army reach that Red Kettle campaign goal. Joining us right now is the Salvation Army's own Nick Ragnar.
Yes.
Nick, we're like they mentioned, they're shooting for the largest fundraising goal ever. Tell us a little bit about the Red Kettle campaign.
Yeah, we got a $1 million goal this year. It's the largest ever. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're trying to break records this year. It's part of a third of our annual budget, so it really helps do everything that we do down at the Salvation Army, program, services, you name it.
And there have been 2 match days already where anonymous donors will match whatever is donated on given days. We have a third one coming up this weekend. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, this one's a little bit different than the other match days that we had. The other match days were thanks to kind of large anonymous donors who pledged quite a bit of money. This one's kind of nice because it's kind of a collection of a bunch of area businesses, organizations, individuals, companies, you name it. It's kind of a good symbolic way of the entire community coming together. But basically what's happening this weekend on Saturday is each of these businesses that you see here on this little sheet on this kettle stand will be sponsoring specific kettles. So when you go to the festival in the village, the Franciscan Sisters of Perpetual Adoration will be sponsoring that kettle. So they'll match up to whatever it is in the kettle on that day. So that's something kind of cool that we're doing this Saturday and hoping people come out.
And another cool thing going on Saturday, they have the Salvation Army is sponsoring a kettle run. Can you tell us a little bit more about that as well?
Yeah, this is actually a pretty cool event. It's actually just somebody in the community started doing it, and they thought it was a really fun thing to do every year. They've been doing it for 5 years now. And basically what they do is they meet at Schmitty's over there on the south side. They get dressed up, maybe dress up like an elf, wear some ugly Christmas sweaters. Bill, I know you have some of those at home. And you go on a little bit of a run. You stop at 5 different kettles, you drop some money in there, and then you head back to Schmitty's for a little bit of fun afterwards. It's a nice little way to more or less give back to the community while also making sure that you're staying fit, but at the same time you're having a lot of fun as well.
And staying warm on a very cold weekend as well.
Yeah.
Another thing going on this week, actually happening today, is Distribution Day for the Angel Giving Tree.
Yep.
Fundraiser or a toy donation drive. Can you tell us a little bit more about Distribution Day?
Yeah, it's a pretty big event. It's pretty much the culmination of all of our Christmas programs. So we have our Angel Giving Tree, we have Christmas food baskets, and basically more than 400 families that are really in need in this community are going to be stopping over at the National Guard Armory today to pick up presents that were kind of bought and purchased and by just people in the community that took tags off of the Angel Giving Tree out in Valley View Mall. And then we're also going to be giving them food baskets basically to try to lessen the worry of going hungry over winter break, because we know when the kiddos come home, sometimes that can be a stressor to make sure you put food on the table. So really this is kind of like a really heartwarming day. It's going to be really cool seeing people being able to take home some Christmas presents and some food.
And we've talked a lot about different fundraising efforts, different things going on this week for the Salvation Army. All of these events take a lot of help, a lot of volunteers. If people would like to get involved, how can they do that?
Thanks for that plug. It is www.salvationarmylacrosse.org. You can go there and to sign up for volunteering to help out as simple as clicking a button. So it's pretty easy. Just head to our website.
All right, awesome. Thank you very much, Nick. So as we mentioned, News 8 will be here today. All sorts of things going on for the Salvation Army. I'm the first one here right now, though, for today's bell ringing here at Festival. Stop by, drop off some money for a fantastic cause. Back to you, Bill and Jen.
All right, Nick, thanks very much. Nick, we appreciate it.
Nick squared, yeah.
Nick Adams drew the short straw. He's out there real early, and
Yeah.
it's real cold right now. Many News 8ers will be ringing bells at that Festival of Foods on Copeland Avenue today, but there are Red Kettle stations all over our area, and they need volunteers. You heard them talk about that there, but you can see a list of locations. You can sign up for a 2-hour bell ringing shift at salvationarmylacrosse.org.
In fact, I'll be down there from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock
Okay.
with Lisa Klein. So come and say
Nice.
hi and give us your money.
Very nice. All right, we are